Yan.
Kasi, so dapat bent knees. Tapos loose lang. Tapos yung right hand mo, lalagay mo sa left. Tapos gano'n. Tapos right naman. Parang hindi. Parang ginagawa mo na. Parang kasama lang.
Ayan, game.
Yan, ay ba?
Ay, meron ba may ganun-ganun? Oo, may ganun-ganun.
May ganun.
Ano? Yeah!
Isa ba? Sige, bye.
Isa pa. Paano pa?
Ha? Sige, ito mas madali. Ito, ginawa ko.
Sige.
Doggy walk down dito.
One, two, three.
So, ito. Right,
And then,
left, up, down. Okay, yan.
right, left,
Oh, sige, sige.
left,
Up, down.
Yes.
Left, right,
Yes.
up, down.
Ay!
Wala kang yung marinig. Isa ba yan? 5, 6.
Yes!
Stop walking na. Ako nag-pose it, remember. Gawa ko lang yan. Sure, gawa ko lang yan. Copyright.
Tama.
Copyright yan. Okay. Dito ko lang, Pika.
Ayan.
Ay, nga pala, Pika. Promote mo yung MMK.
Hi guys, first of all, thanks ulit sa mga sumuport sa Green Rose. It rated nung sa primetime video before, and I have an MMK this coming Saturday, Friends in Love with Kim Chu and si Edgar Allan from TV5, and just watch, it's gonna be cool.
Oh, good.
Yes, abangan yan for sure ng ating
Yun.
almost 2,000 na live readers.
Wow!
Mas mataas na. Tama. Iba secret. Okay. Ayan. Okay, proceed to chat. How's your impression though of each other change since nung nagsimula yung Good Vibes? Tapos ngayon na it's almost malapit na matapos, di ba?
Gusto ko mauna si Lynn.
Ako?
Oo.
May
Yung totoong version from audition.
From audition. From audition? Alam mo rin, mag-confess ka.
Magsakit na! Ano ba?
Nung audition, I was like a fan. Na ano ko.
Uy, nakaka-istorbo tayo.
May tumatawag. And then nung auditions, the first time na nakita ko sina
Hello.
Devon and you and Nikki Hill and sila Iva, sila James, starstruck ako kasi grabe. Parang, that's when I got home, nagkwenta pa sa mom ko na parang, oh my God, nakita ko sila.
Look what the girl said. You get hard though.
Ay,
You're such a violent girl.
Ano mo na?
hindi mo naman yan.
Samahan yan. Joke lang.
Yun. So yun.
And now?
Parang I'm so happy na I work with them and
Diva na.
Yeah, siya na kinaka-starstruck.
no, I'm always starstruck with you and cheesy little galana.
Oh my gosh!
Sarap ng tweet.
Ay, sabi ni Ken, starstruck ba or love struck?
Starstruck! Sabi ko starstruck. Okay. Tapos, yun. I'm just happy to be friends with them na and just to teko.
Ayun siguro mas close na kami eh. Joke lang.
Before.
Before.
Kakayaan.